Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk and give my opinion regarding this headline. Will OpenAI's enterprise chatbot put a big hurt on Microsoft? Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We have here another news about artificial intelligence or generative AI. No? So, according to the article written by Preston Grala, a contributing editor of Computer World, dated September 13, 2023, will OpenAI's enterprise chatbot put a big hurt on Microsoft? As we all know right now, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, OpenAI is a big thing. Almost all tech companies are trying to join in this bandwagon because there is a big potential to earn big amount of money by integrating artificial intelligence in their technology. So, should think that OpenAI's new enterprise ChatGPT offering would directly threaten Microsoft's big Gen AI push. The truth is more nuanced. Okay, so OpenAI and ChatGPT, Microsoft has surprising a powerful new competitor in its attempt to dominate the generative AI market. OpenAI, the company behind Microsoft Gen AI products, in which Microsoft has invested $13 billion. In-house technology is the sole reason Microsoft has taken the lead in Gen AI. So we know that one of the biggest investor in OpenAI is Microsoft. Initially they invest 1 billion and then gradually it reached about $13 billion now for development and research. So they are trying now to get their investment back by having this being a leader in generative AI market. The competition began in late August when OpenAI launched ChatGPT Enterprise. So the company claims offer enterprise-grade security and privacy, unlimited higher-speed GPT-4 access, longer context in Windows for processing longer inputs, advanced data analysis capabilities, customization options, and much more. So basically, I watched a video in YouTube in Dave's Garage, the upgraded version of Windows 11 has an integration already of artificial intelligence or generative AI. So according to OpenAI, the tools is the AI assistant for work that helps with any task, is customized for your organization and that protects your company data. Wow, this is a great news now for company in the enterprise that they can use ChatGPT 4 unlimited access, and then there is a protection of your data, so it will be help for those company that needs the support of OpenAI ChatGPT. So this essentially the same promise Microsoft has made and that Google, Amazon, and others make as well. So can you imagine Microsoft invest 13 billion for a company to do some research on AI, that is OpenAI, and then on return they will give the access on those technology, and then right now the company that the investment is their also biggest competitor in generative AI market. So if you're confused about how OpenAI can go head to head with its biggest investor and partners join the club, so let's look why that's possible. Examine how Microsoft and AI went from partners to frenemies, and delve into whether OpenAI's move could put a serious dent into Microsoft plans to own the Gen AI market. So in my opinion on this matter, um, competition is healthy. It will benefit the end user. However, on the part of the Microsoft, it will hurt them a lot because they invest a big amount of money, and then in return they can only get a portion of their investment because their first investment in OpenAI is their new biggest competitor in generative AI, no? So in the long run, Microsoft actually is on the losing end, no, if this will continue. But again, they have a partnership, so gradually in the long run they can also get what they invest, no, on the company. Understanding Microsoft investment in OpenAI. Microsoft investment in OpenAI is unusual and complex one, as it the history of OpenAI itself. The company was founded in 2015 as a non-profit AI research lab, included our host, well-known founders and partners companies, among them Elon Musk, Amazon Web Services, PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel, Link co-founder Reid Hoffman, and others. Founders and partners company founded OpenAI to the tune of $1 billion. In 2018, Musk resigned from the board. In 2019, OpenAI restructured to become a cap of for-profit company. So before it was a non-profit, but 2019 it becomes a for-profit company. That's why ChatGPT 4 no charges about $20, no, to have a faster access and more functionality compared to Chat 3.5, no, which is free, which allowed it to attract investors and raise more money. The earliest investor in OpenAI had their potential profits capped at 100 times what they invested. Later, investors had their potential profits capped as a lower rate. That's the year that Microsoft first invested in OpenAI, initially with 1 billion, as I said earlier, then with additional 2 billion. In January 2023, Microsoft invested another $10 billion, making it OpenAI's largest investor. Note, Microsoft is considered a late investor, okay, because it wasn't part of the original group founding OpenAI. So it means, no, that when Microsoft already sees some opportunity that this OpenAI, no, company has a big potential to earn big amount of money, that's the time that they put huge amount of money. They are not the original investor, no. So the investment allows Microsoft to use all OpenAI's model across its entire line of products. The maillard of AI-driven Microsoft copilots include those for Bing, GitHub, Microsoft 365, formerly called Microsoft Office, Teams, and Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP. All are powered by OpenAI technology, so it's Microsoft Azure OpenAI service, which allows enterprise to build their own AI apps. Nothing in the deal bars OpenAI from launching its own products, even those that competes directly against Microsoft. So this is my opinion, no? It doesn't mean that one of the Microsoft invest big amount of money for OpenAI. It does not ban OpenAI to promote its product also, no. So that's also their disclosure agreement between two companies, Microsoft and OpenAI. So this is the problem, no, comes in for Microsoft, no, because they use the technology of OpenAI. It's not only exclusive for them, but also it allows OpenAI to market their technology to other users, no. So OpenAI's ChatGPT Enterprise versus Microsoft. OpenAI's ChatGPT Enterprise is the business version of ChatGPT, which took the world by storm after it was launched in late November 2022, that is last year. It directly competes with Microsoft Bing Chat Enterprise and Microsoft Business Focus Chatbot. OpenAI is hoping that businesses will turn to it rather than Microsoft for enterprise-focused features such as compliance with the SOC2 system and organization controls to security standards established by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA. There is also an admin console for doing things such as allowing single sign-on and domain verification. ChatGPT Enterprise won't compete against Microsoft Copilot tools for Microsoft 365 in Teams because Copilot piggybacks directly on the Microsoft products, something that ChatGPT Enterprise can't do. That make it very tough for ChatGPT Enterprise to put a dent into Microsoft Gen AI ambitions. So, Microsoft envisioned a seamless AI experience throughout its entire product line for enterprises, something OpenAI won't able to provide because ChatGPT Enterprise is a single standalone product compared to Microsoft that they have Microsoft Office 365 bundle of products. As the result, there's a reasonable chance many companies that use Microsoft Copilot will opt for being Enterprise rather than ChatGPT Enterprise. And Microsoft might well help by ChatGPT Enterprise, not hurt by it. It could help further publicize how chatbots can be used for businesses, and Microsoft can point out that its products give companies the best in both worlds. The power of ChatGPT Enterprise combined with AI embedded into the products businesses use most. If ChatGPT succeeds, Microsoft would win another way as well. The term of its investment in OpenAI gave Microsoft 25% of OpenAI profits until its $13 billion investment is paid back, according to the Fortune magazine. No? After the 13 billion is paid back, the magazine says Microsoft gets 49% of OpenAI's profits until it's earned a profit of 93 billion. After that, Microsoft receives no more profits. So Microsoft has many reasons to hope OpenAI succeeds, more than 100 billion of the dollars of them. Ultimately, Microsoft can't lose no more. No matter what happens, it's already taken the lead in Gen AI thanks to its deal with OpenAI, and it gets the lion's share of OpenAI profits as well until it receives $100 billion. Because of this, especially because of sizable lead in Gen AI, the deal with OpenAI could prove to be decisive for Microsoft, as one of its signed decades ago to provide operating system for IBM PC's original PC. Okay, so in a long run, no, we know that Microsoft will earn big amount of money with its collaboration of OpenAI, no. For that investment of $13 billion, they are expecting to earn 100 billion, no, and then after they reach $100 billion, they no longer receive any profit from the company. So it will be a long run a win-win situation for Microsoft. Okay guys, so this is the end of my topic, no, or opinion regarding will OpenAI's enterprise chatbot will put hurt on Microsoft. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.